Got an MBL file from an old ebook collection and need to read it on modern devices? This format predates current ebook standards. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Mobipocket eBook files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult MBL files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. An ebook file format developed by Mobipocket, which was later acquired by Amazon. These files contain digital books, including text, images, and metadata, and were designed for optimal viewing on mobile devices and e-readers. They often include DRM protection to prevent unauthorized copying and distribution. The .mbl format is a binary container based on the Open eBook standard, using XHTML and often including a proprietary DRM layer. It was designed for reflowable content, allowing text to adapt to different screen sizes, and employed efficient compression to minimize file size for early mobile devices. Technically, the best program for MBL is usually Calibre from Kovid Goyal. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can preview some text, but full publication features require a specialized reader. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your MBL file and click Open With. If Calibre is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If your MBL file will not open, do not worry. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the MBL file won't cooperate. First, opening in Mobipocket Reader. Install Mobipocket Reader if available from archived software repositories, since the application is no longer actively distributed. Open MBL files within the reader for proper display with reflowable text and navigation. The reader provides reading features common to early ebook applications. Next, converting with Calibre. Use Calibre, the free open-source ebook management software, to convert MBL files to modern formats like ePUBI or Amazon Kindle's Mobi format. Calibre's conversion engine handles many legacy ebook formats, producing readable output for modern ebook readers and reading applications. Finally, reading on modern devices. Convert MBL files to EPUB format. Using Calibre, then transfer to current ebook readers like Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, or Kobo. This bridges the gap between legacy Mobipocket content and modern reading platforms, preserving access to older ebook libraries on contemporary reading devices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.